Ramez, what is the number one tip that you can give people that want to sell remotely or sell virtually?
You have to work on being remembered. And you want to work on being remembered favorably. So today we know that people buy from people they like and trust. And what can you do to build trust? What can you do to be remembered in a favorable way, in an online or virtual manner? And the answer to that question is connecting with people at an emotional level, not just a logical level. And the way we do that, or the way that I tell my audiences to do that, is research shows today that when you tell stories, the right stories, you release a certain level of a hormone called oxytocin, which is known as the empathy hormone, the trust hormone. And today, when you share stories, when you want to influence without stories, you're going to have a difficult time. However, with stories, you increase the memorability. So with stories, people remember facts and figures 22 times more than without a story. And this is a fantastic tool to help you make the case for the ROI. So today, people will just focus on the ROI, but yet today people want to ensure that I'm not just buying ROI, but I'm buying the ROI from the right source, the right person, the right company. So it has to be the ability to connect and be memorable with others.
If I wanted to learn more about this, where can I go?
I work with a lot of corporate clients, and I've developed some very unique and exclusive content. And for a limited time, I've decided to put this up and offer a complimentary webinar masterclass that's available for the general public, specifically for business owners that want to improve their memorability and selling abilities, whether they have teams or whether they themselves want to work on those skills. For sales professionals, sales leaders that want to pass on such messages for their team. So there's a link below with limited spots to ensure that I can get to better serve and answer people's questions and concerns and even practice. So look forward to having you on the webinar.